I was having a play around the other day on a client website, and one of the things that they requested was that every image on their website have rounded corners, so a border radius of about 10 pixels. And that was fine because Squarespace allows you on like standard images to double click and then natively change the curvature of the corners. But what it doesn't let you do is change images in, let's say, a summary block or in your blog collection or anything that's not a singular image block. So what we need to do if we want to round the corners of the images on a summary block is use a little bit of code. So this is, I think, like 1 or 2 lines basically. But it's actually really handy, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. What you're seeing right here is one of my clients' websites, and something that I thought would look good on the site, they didn't actually request this, but I thought it would look good, is rounded corners on summary blocks. So usually summary blocks are squared corners on the images, obviously, and you can't change this, even though you should be able to be honest. They have shapes and border radius styles on like all the images, but you can't do it on summary blocks yet for some reason. So what we want to do is add a little bit of code to achieve exactly what we want. So to do this, we want to go into custom CSS by going to design and custom CSS. And then we want to input the following code, and that is it. So what we want to do, this block ID, is identified by using Squarespace block ID finder. It's a Google Chrome extension. We click on the block, we paste it in here, then we add an asterisk. We open and close our squiggly brackets, and then within there we specify our border radius. So we wanted it to be like super curved, it could be 50, even less curved would be 5, and we can go up in increments of 1, so you can do 6, 7, etc. I think 10 looks good, up to 20 also looks pretty good, but 10 I find is the sweet spot and what works really well on this client's particular website. So if you're bored of your summary blocks and you want to add a little curve to the edges, then this is how you do it. Super simple. If you did find this useful, please make sure to leave a like, hit subscribe, and check out all of the Squarespace resources in the description below.